Jambo! Welcome to the beautiful Serengeti. I'm so happy you're here. Today, we are exploring Kenya and Tanzania, where millions of people speak a wonderful, musical language called Swahili. In Swahili, greeting people is very important. When you meet someone, you say Jambo, which simply means hello.
Or you might hear Habari Gani, which means how are you? People always answer with a big smile.
But there is one phrase you probably already know, and it's the ultimate expression of happiness here. Hakuna Matata. Let's break it down. Hakuna literally means there is no or there are none. And matata means problems or troubles. So did you get what the complete phrase means? It means no worries or no problems.
Hakuna Matata, all is good.